All right, so this is my Binance account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this trade section here. All right, so I'm going to click on trade. So it's going to bring out the P2P. So when I click on this P2P, it's going to take me to the P2P interface. All right, so this is my P2P interface, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this P2P user center. So I want to show you the total volume of how much I've been able to do by trading Binance P2P from Nigeria. All right, so it's going to bring out the total or the approximately total volume of how much I've been able to trade on Binance P2P. All right, so as you can see, so approximately total volume of how much I've been able to trade is 0.7143 BTC. All right, so for you to know how much this is in dollars, I'm just going to copy this, then convert this to dollar. All right, so I'm quickly going to go over to Bitcoin calculator. So I'm going to paste this here. So this is over $28,000. All right, so this is $28,294. This is the total volume of how much I've been able to trade on Binance P2P, and this is exactly what I want to show you. All right, so to streamline this down to Naira, just so you know how much this is in Naira, so I'm just going to go to calculator, then calculate this. So this is 28,294. All right, so I'm going to enter 28,294 multiplied by 570. All right, so let's just go with this average price here. So multiply by 570, and this is over 16 million naira. All right, so I've been able to trade over 16 million naira on Binance P2P, and this is exactly what I want to show you in this video. All right, so my name is Olushola David. If you'd like to know how to do this, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, I want you to drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on Binance by buying and selling crypto on Binance P2P. So the whole idea is very simple. All you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be buying USDT with your local currency, then sell it at a higher price with your local currency account. So the first thing you want to do is to create your account. So if you don't have an account already, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there, then create your account and verify your account. Make sure your account is fully verified, because if your account is not verified, you won't be able to buy and sell on Binance P2P. Okay, so once your account is verified, what you want to do is log into your account, then come to trade section here. So when you come to trade section here, you want to scroll down, then click on Binance P2P, then click on P2P here. So once you click on P2P, it's going to take you here. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is to deposit money on your Binance account, and the first way to do this is to buy USDT. All right, so once you are in your Binance P2P area, so what you want to do is you want to choose the one that is most favorable for you. So this is how you're going to be making most of the trade. Okay, you want to buy low, then sell high, so you can make enough profit for yourself. But before that, there are some things you need to put in place so you don't get duped on this platform. All right, so I'm going to show my own trade area here. So as you can see now, this is my own P2P user center. So my 30 days complete trade is 100% here. All right, so I've done 100%. So my average release time is 6.90 minutes, and my average pay time is 3.90 minutes here. So my positive feedback rate is 100%. Now this is what you want to look out for. You want to look out for people that are with 100% or something around 97% to 100%. So this is what you want to look out for when you are buying and selling on Binance P2P. All right, so the goal is to buy low, then sell high. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to choose the merchant at which you're going to be buying our first USDT from. Now, I must tell you, when you're going to be doing your own trade, the profit you're going to be making is not static. Okay, so the market is always going up and down. All right, so how much you're going to be making today is going to be different from how much you're going to make tomorrow. So what I'm just doing now is to show you the template on how to go about it. All right, so the market is always going up and down. So there is no stable profit to what you're going to be making when it comes to buying and selling of crypto on Binance P2P. Okay, so what you want to do now is to choose the merchant that we're going to be buying our first USDT from. So I talked about this earlier. If you're going to be buying from anyone, you want to go with someone that has close to 100% completion rate. So the first person we have here is having 92% completion rate, and he's willing to sell for 589.50 naira. Okay, so the available USDT he's having is 101.33 USDT. Okay, so let's scroll down, then look for better option. Okay, so this person here is 100% and is willing to sell for 592 naira. So his available USDT is 342 USDT, and his limit is 5,000 to over 200,000. Okay, so let's use this as an example. So let's assume that we want to buy this USDT. So the total USDT here is 342 and is willing to sell for 592 naira. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on buy USDT. All right, so available USDT. Okay, the available USDT is just updated now. So the available USDT is 427 and is willing to sell for 592. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come over here. So let's assume you want to buy everything. Okay, so I'm going to click on all. Okay, so this is the total USDT you are going to receive, which is 427.05 USDT, and this is how much you are going to pay. So you are going to pay 253,000 naira to buy 427 USDT. So this is the rate you are going to use to buy it. So if you are buying 427 USDT at 592 naira, this is how much you are going to pay. 253,000 naira. So let's calculate this, so just so we know how much we are paying in the real sense. So the USDT is 427.05. So I'm going to go to calculator. So we want to buy 427.05 USDT, 0.05 USDT. So we're going to multiply this by, then let's see how much we are paying. So this is 592.50 cents, 0.50 kobo. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, then multiply by 592.50 kobo. All right, so this is 253,000 naira. Okay, so let's go back to Binance and see how much is here. Okay, so we are going to pay 253,000 253,028 naira or thereabout. Okay, so this is what we have here, which is the same figure we have here. So this is 27 and that one is 28. Okay, so let's assume we are buying 427 USDT and we are paying 253,000 naira. Okay, so this is how much we are paying. So I'm going to go back to Binance here, then I'm going to cancel this. And I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to click on sell here. Okay, so let's assume we've bought it. Okay, so I'm going to click on sell here, then see how much we are going to be selling it. All right, so we have 598, we have 598, we have 597. So we are okay, so 100% is 597. Okay, so we have, this one is 100%, so this is safe to buy. Okay, so this person is willing to buy our USDT at 598 naira. Okay, so let's go back to our calculator. So we bought 227 USDT at 253,000. Okay, so let's see how much we're going to be making when we sell it at the rate of 598.29 kobo. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to be multiplying 427 times 427 multiplied by 427 multiplied by how much are we selling here? 598.29. Okay, so 598, so multiply by 598.29. okay, so this is 255,469. Okay, so let's minus this from the initial one that we bought. Okay, so this is going to be 455 minus 253,028. So this is 2,441. Okay, so in that single trade that we just did, so the profit we're going to be making is 2,441. Okay, so this might seem little to you, but let's assume you were able to do this exactly like this just 5 times in a day. So let's multiply the profit, multiply by 5. Okay, so this is multiplied by 5. So in a day you're going to be making 12,209 naira. Or let's multiply this by 30 just to have an average of how much we could be making in a month with this capital we are using. All right, so multiply by 30 we're going to be making 366,274 naira. All right, so this is what you're going to be making by just sitting down in your house, then pressing your phone and making trades on Binance P2P from the comfort of your home. All right, so like I said earlier, the market is not static. Okay, so it's always going up and down. So how much you're going to be making is going to be dependable on the market value of the day you are carrying out the trade. All right, so this is basically how to go about buying and selling on Binance P2P. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.